Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. On eBay there is an out-of-stock option for listings that are set as good till cancelled. It can give sellers several advantages. Sellers that offer many identical products for a fixed price on a good till cancelled duration can use this out-of-stock option. It can be activated in your seller hub. If you click on Overview and then scroll down, you'll find the Site Preferences in which you can activate the out-of-stock option. When the quantity of the listing becomes zero, your listing stays active, but hidden from the search results. The listing will reappear in the search results when you increase the quantity of items available. This saves the seller from having to set up the listing from scratch. Additionally, your selling history is saved, along with the number of sold items and buyers who are interested in your product, which gives you a better position in the search results. Also, the item number and link for the product don't change either. That has a positive effect on your visibility on Google and the distribution of your listing on the network. That all sounds very nice, but does this function have any disadvantages? You'll have to be prepared for additional selling fees. For good till cancelled listings, eBay charges an insertion fee every month, from the time you create it until all the items in the listing sell, you end the listing, or eBay ends the listing. If your listing has a quantity of zero for the entire month's billing period, at the end of that period you may qualify for an insertion fee credit, and a credit for any advanced listing upgrade fees applicable to that period. If your listing has a quantity of zero for 180 consecutive days, eBay ends it automatically. Therefore, the out-of-stock function gives you primarily SEO advantages. Give us your experiences in the comments if you're already using this function. With that said, have fun optimizing your listings. Your eBakery team.